Here's how I achieved my first six-figure income as a financial advisor in less than 3 months. Hi, I'm SJ. I'm a software engineer by profession and a 3-year unit manager under Ravens Tower, currently leading 8 advisors. For the past 7 years, I have helped more than 500 families to build their protection funds so that in case of emergencies, such as accidents, disabilities, or illnesses, hindi kailangang maubos ang savings nila or manghiram for these financial needs. First, I treated it like a business. Hindi siya side hustle for me. I kept telling myself, kaya ko to. Mindset talaga. Nag-invest ako sa trainings, mentorship, and tools para mas maging effective ako. Second, I talked to a lot of people. Family, friends, strangers, and referrals. Hindi ako nahiyang mag-reach out at makipag-usap. I made sure to show up consistently kahit pagod or minsan parang walang resulta. And lastly, I shared stories, not just products. Mas nakaka-relate kasi ang tao sa totoong kwento at kung paano nakatulong ang insurance sa mga pamilya at paano ito naging lifesaver. So if you're thinking of becoming a financial advisor too, this is your sign. Promise, with commitment, consistency, and genuine connection, posible din sa'yo to.
If you're interested to start in the comment section below. If you like this video, leave it a thumbs up and follow for more.